Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I'm Brielle, and today I'm thrilled to check out the NewAir 15 Outdoor Beverage Refrigerator. If you love hosting backyard parties or need a reliable cooler for your patio, this fridge might be just what you need. Let's dive in and see why it's making waves. First, let's talk about features. This NewAir fridge holds up to 90 cans in its 3.2 cubic foot interior, perfect for beers, sodas, or snacks. It's built with weatherproof 304 stainless steel, so it can handle heat, rain, or snow without rusting. The digital temperature control lets you set it as low as 32 degrees, keeping drinks ice cold even in hot climates. It's designed for built-in or freestanding use, with a zero-clearance body that fits under standard 15-inch counters. The auto-closing door seals in the cold, and easy glide casters make it simple to move around your patio. Plus, it's got adjustable shelves for cans or taller bottles and a fingerprint-resistant finish for a sleek look. Now, the pros. This fridge is a game changer for outdoor entertaining. It's sturdy, stylish, and keeps drinks frosty in any weather, perfect for barbecues or pool parties. The compact size fits small spaces, and the adjustable shelves let you customize storage for any drink or food. Customers love how quiet the compressor is and how it maintains steady temps, even in 90 degrees heat. The Easy Glide casters are a big win for moving it around, and the stainless steel looks high-end without constant cleaning. But there are a few cons. The door isn't reversible, so it only opens to the right, which might not suit every setup. Some users noted the interior light could be brighter for nighttime use. It's also pricier than some countertop coolers, so if you don't need outdoor durability, you might find cheaper options. Lastly, stock can be low, so you'll want to act fast. I recommend the NewAir 15 Outdoor Beverage Refrigerator if you're an outdoor entertainer or need a reliable cooler for your patio, bar, or kitchen. It's ideal for homeowners or small businesses wanting a durable, stylish fridge, though if you're tight on budget or space, a smaller unit might work better. Ready to elevate your outdoor setup? Check out the NewAir Outdoor Fridge using the link in the description for the best pricing and special promotions from Rick's Review Hub. Clicking that link supports our channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.